Hello, I'm back again. Sorry it had to stop all of a sudden because I had a phone dad. I can say that. All right. So I was saying that yes, today I'm exactly 5 weeks in 5 weeks in my pregnancy since my last menstrual period. So I'm still waiting for the results, and inshallah, today I'm going to be receiving the results. Um, in terms of the symptoms, really, I'm not having any kind of symptoms like other than mild nausea. I can say that, and that usually happens to me. It's not something new for me. Whenever I'm having I'm brushing my teeth using this toothpaste. Each toothpaste, I'm kind of feeling nausea, but today I felt it more. I normally use the tissue papers and all, and today I had to have the plastic bag. I didn't vomit, but that kind of a feeling that you want to puke, but you're not puking. But it feels like you have a lot of saliva. Yeah, so it felt like that. It was uncomfortable, but somehow it didn't last for long. So that's a good news. Other thing is that what else? Before my BFP as well, I really actually didn't feel much symptoms other than having this diarrhea on and off. Diarrhea on and off, and what else? Yeah, on the lower abdominal, on my left side, sometimes I kind of feel tightness, like sort of bloatness, things like that. It's not like I'm having like very sore boob, but they're tender, very tender, and especially my nipples. I don't feel like that they are painful, anything like that. No, I don't feel like when I'm going to have shower, I'm having any pain. It's there's nothing close to it. So, guys, I hope that's all. That's all I can pray for good news, and I'm going to be keeping you updated. Whatever my results it's going to be, I'm going to be sharing it. And once again, by the time you see these videos, I most probably have gone far weeks. I'm hoping for a successful pregnancy, or maybe I've already delivered as well. Only Allah knows. Only Allah knows that. And only a piece of advice, I'm not a kind of a person who would say that do not stress a lot, but try to have a limit with it. Even if you're kind of having those negatives feeling, or kind of having lots of thoughts, when is this thing going to be happening, try to speak to yourself by saying that it will happen. It will happen. Though you're stressed, let me go for a walk, or let me go. I mean, do anything with it seems to be like in your preference, in your liking. Do that so that you don't think much into it. This time, I was like super scared when I saw my period getting late until cycle 32. I wasn't still feeling that I might be pregnant, no. But when it reached to 33, which I never, ever in my whole entire life, I can say in terms when I'm monitoring my cycle, because I used to be monitoring my cycle, I think so, since at the age of 13 or 14. I mean, since the age that I started getting my first menstrual. So I know my days, and I tend to have different apps that I monitor my period. I have the app which is called Baby, and I have another one which is close to that Baby. I have Ovia, I have Dot, I have a Fertility Friend, I don't know how many apps I have, but it's like I have lots of apps. But the mostly lovable apps that I normally update my records, there are three apps. One which is called Baby, because when I'm updating my period date, it also tells me that this cycle you had like 27 days, this 30 days. So I can estimate if I'm late, that if this time I got it on 28 cycle, the next it will be 30 as by my the Baby app. The other one is Fertility Friend. I like I like it because when I'm updating the like DPO wise, it tells me this is the DPO 1, 2, 3, like that. And Ovia, I like the way how it tells me that this is cycle so and so, and those uh one now and then updates which tells you now you are on this period in this pattern, soon you're going to be having the fertility window. So that's what I admire on this three different apps. So pray for me, although I can say that by the time when you see this video, I might have gone far, but just pray for me in advance that by watching this video, that I manage having a successful developing pregnancy until I deliver my beautiful baby. Inshallah. I'll keep you updated, guys. For today, bye.